This is the letter G. Big G, little g. G says G. A lot of words begin with the letter G, like goat, ghost, gold, glasses, grapes, and grass. What else begins with the letter G? G is for... That's right, giraffe. What is a giraffe? Giraffes are the tallest land animals in the world. They can grow up to 18 feet tall. Their long necks help them reach leaves high up in trees, which is their favorite food. Their spotted coats are really unique. Each giraffe has its own special pattern, just like a fingerprint. Giraffes are social animals that live in groups called towers, which can have up to 20 giraffes. They are gentle creatures and take care of each other. Mothers are very protective of their baby calves and teach them how to eat and live in their environment. Let's look at some different giraffes for ideas. What do you see? I see giraffes in many different styles. There's no right or wrong way to make a giraffe. Let's draw a giraffe. You need paper, marker, and something to make color with.
We're going to start by doing a small oval up towards the top of the paper. I'm going to come all down to about the middle-ish, and we are going to make a shape that I think you could call more of a rectangle, but we're going to have some curved lines, some gently curved lines at the front and the back, so it's a little bit round from the bottom of the face oval to the upper corner of the body, and from the back of the head or the back of the oval down to the top of our rectangle shape. We're going to do long, thin rectangles. Those are going to be his long legs. 1, 2, in the front for his front legs, and then 1, 2 in the back for his back legs. So we have all 4, and I'm going to go ahead and do little bumps at the bottom. 2 at the bottom of each foot. Draw a little line and color in black, so those are his little hooves. So let's go ahead and start adding some details in. Do a curved line at the end of the nose. 2 little dots for his nostrils. I'm going to go to the middle of the top of the head and do 1, 2 little black circles with 2 lines down on both sides. Those are his little bumpy horns. And let's do a teardrop shape. Actually, let's make more of a V shape on both sides for our giraffe's ears. Little circles with slightly big circles around the outside for his eyes. And a tail. Let's do 2 curved lines down with an upside down teardrop shape. So we're going to start thinking about his skin, his fur. What does that look like? As we learned, every giraffe has a different pattern. So you could use whatever shape looks good to you. I really like circles, so I'm going to fill my giraffe with circles. I'm going to remember what letter we're talking about today, which is G, and write a big G and a little g for giraffe, just to help me remember.
Let's add color. You made a giraffe. That's awesome. Giraffe is for G. A beautiful giraffe artwork. Thank you for joining us. Please consider liking and subscribing to Bold Soul Whimsy. See you in the next one.